Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block fake users in your store. So you might be wondering, what are fake users? These fake users are some fake profiles that are created by a bot that some person uses to sabotage your business in Storeino.com, and that by creating and making a lot of orders without the intention to actually complete any order. So what we need to do is go to the orders. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of orders, and we have the list of our orders here. As you can see here, we have a list of orders that are made from the same browser and from the same device, also from the same IP address. If you don't actually know all this information that I'm talking about currently, you can go back and watch the video we done about the dashboard of the orders, so you can understand completely everything related to the information of each order. So what we need to do actually is copy the IP address here, as you can see, because a normal person can't make all these orders in one instant. So we need to copy the IP address and go to the customers. Here, as you can see, we have all the customers that are currently active in our store and that have made orders. And as also we have here the search button. Here, as you can see, we click on it and then type in the IP address. Then click on apply. And as you can see, it only shows us the fake users or the users that are related to this IP address, as long with all the information related to each user. So what we need to do is actually select one of these users and click on update. And then when the page of this user show up, just change the status from active to blocked and then click on confirm. Here, as you can see, if we go back to the list of users, here, as you can see, we have this user now blocked, and that's all you need to do. Actually, you don't have to actually block each one individually. You only need to block one of these fake users to be actually done and block everything related to this IP address. And so we can test it, of course. Just go to this order here, as you can see, and when we click to place order, here, as you can see, it shows this pop-up notification that says that the customer is blocked. So we actually blocked the customer and all the fake users that related to this IP address, as you can see. You can also add another security check by adding the CAPTCHA to your store and make your store show the CAPTCHA after an amount of orders that are made either by a human or a bot. So what you need to do is go to your store once again and then click on settings, then click on checkout, and lastly go to the cart. Here, as you can see at the bottom, we have the checkout security. And as you can see here, when we click on it, it says show CAPTCHA, so we need to enable this. And as you can see here, we have the number of orders before showing the CAPTCHA. You can, of course, increase it or decrease it. For example, I want to make it only 3, so I can know that a real human is buying from my store. So when the user or someone creates or orders 3 orders, then the CAPTCHA will show up in the 4th order. So just go ahead and click on confirm, so that the information is updated, as you can see here. And when we go back to this order, and as you know, we already made a lot of orders from this specific IP, so we already made more than 3 orders. So when we click on place order, here, as you can see, it shows the CAPTCHA, and I need to actually confirm that I am not a robot. So only real humans succeed in this CAPTCHA. So just click on it to let the robot of our platform verify that you are a human, and then click on place order. And that is how you secure your store from the bots and from the fake users. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.